The United States is BC's biggest trading partner by far. Tens of billions of dollars worth of goods flow in both directions of the border each year. So could BC withstand a prolonged trade war with the United States? Economists say some industries would be hit pretty hard, but unlike other provinces, BC does have a unique advantage: its geography. In 2023, BC exported just over $30 billion of goods to the U.S. That's more than half of the province's total exports. That included more than $8 billion worth of energy products like natural gas and electricity, over $7 billion in forestry products like lumber, $3.5 billion in consumer goods, $3.2 billion in metals and minerals, and $2 billion in farm, fishing, and food products. So how vulnerable is BC to U.S. tariffs compared to other provinces? The Premier thinks BC is in relatively good shape.
It's important for people at home to know that BC is the least trade-exposed province to the United States. Unlike Ontario or Manitoba or Quebec, we do have access to those global markets.
EB's claim is supported by the numbers. BC's share of exports to the U.S. is lower than most other provinces and well below the Canadian average.
It is on the Pacific coast and therefore has the Asian market that you can reach more easily than those provinces. That's different from Ontario, that is shipping over 70%, if not over 80% to the United States.
And BC's trade relationships are changing. The most recent data from 2024 shows that BC's share of exports to the U.S. is declining, while exports to countries like South Korea and China are increasing. But can those countries become the saving grace in a prolonged trade war?
Well, that will take a long while. 50+% is a huge market, and so it is almost as important as for Ontario. So we should not fool ourselves.
When it comes to imports, the U.S. is also BC's biggest trading partner, with billions of dollars worth of consumer goods and refined oil coming into the province each year. A century-old relationship between two neighbors with a lot on the line for both sides. John Hernandez, CBC News, Vancouver.